Welcome this video. A first yard rock gardening is one of the most beautiful and landscape idea that can installing boost your home cup appear whether your yard is smart and long use rock stone give and deposit plants can create a stream natural look that exudes maximize water and care boost gardening feel with create a stream natural look that requested maximize water and care rock gardening fix and modern realistic modified style home and gave a clean and elegant appear to a landscape. As on front yard rock gardening landscape idea plants design select and style type to make your outdoor space look both style and centrability design and style to make your outdoor space look both style and centrability. When choose a rock gardening for the front yard. Front yard gardening are become increasingly popular of some recent. Low main entrance. Unlike gardening, rock do not mean requested water removement. Water effective. Rock and double resisting plants help care water make that idea for during warm static appear rock gardening create a natural look that enhance cup appear versatile you can create a maximizes modern design a lush natural look that convenience of beauty make rock gardening smart installing for your home. Your rule beauty rock do not white or during so that gardening look in even season.